How to insert hyperlink in Word. Hyperlinks are commonly inserted in Word documents to connect to websites, emails, or other documents, facilitating easy access for readers. Moreover, they serve to establish links between different sections of the same document. Now let's look how to insert a hyperlink in Word. This is one sample Word document. Suppose I want to provide hyperlink to other websites to retailing company, then select retailing company. Click on Insert tab. Then click on Link under Links. Then under Link to, select existing file or web page. Then for retailing company I want to provide hyperlink to one of the web page as shown here. So, under address bar paste the web page hyperlink. Click on OK button. Now when you right-click on retailing company and then click on Open Hyperlinks. Then it will open the website that you have attached before. You can see here. Now suppose I want to provide internal links within the page, then we just select text. Click on Insert tab, then click on Link. Then click on Place in this document under Link to. Then click on the section of document where you want navigate when you click on this text. Click OK. Now when you click on text it will navigate to that section of the page which you mentioned before. You can see here. Now let's create hyperlink to email address. Click on Text. Click on Link. Click on Email address under Link to section. Then provide email address under Email address field. Then provide subject under Subject field. Then click on OK. Now when you click on the link it will open email apps and you can select mail to send mail to that email which you have set before. This much for today. If you like this video please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.